today?
I don't know, ask him.
Market.
Market.
I don't know, I think they're ready.
The tour guide's given up the job, I think. So we're going to go into the market.
Tonight.
That's cute. Reminds me of Cardiff Indoor Market used to be. It is, isn't it?
The falls makes good, eh?
Wow. Hungarian sausage. Herbs and spices. Paprika. It's a whole stall for paprika. We've come upstairs in the market and there's food courts here. Loads of them.
Just cheap though. $2.90. Like £7. Yeah, £7. That's nice, isn't it? Nice. You should try that. Oh, real nice.
Looks nice, like the old pancakes used to be. What do you think of it, Jen?
Oh, it's really nice though. Oh
Yeah?
my god, I want this, I want that, but my stomach's gonna not take it. Mostly when we had the breakfast as well.
We just had a huge breakfast.
Yeah. I do, it's really nice.
Yeah,
I think we should have tried that before
I think so.
we go back.
The honey's favourite sounds nice.
Oh, it's loads of like souvenirs and stuff.
Yeah, not so much paprika up here than it is downstairs. Downstairs was mainly paprika and meat.
Yeah.
Up here seems
Like a market.
Yeah, it
upstairs,
seems a bit
like
more-
a dry goods and food.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, it's just like my eyes are just so happy. I want this, I want that, I want that, I want that. But yes, that.
I want to get out now. It's like claustrophobic. There's no point filming anymore because it's pretty much all the same. It's lovely, it's quirky, it's packed. In some places, you have to push your way through. Just not used to it after COVID. Not used to all these people in one place, I suppose. So, gonna leave the market now and find something else to do. Seven machine. So, I think we're going over that bridge. Which, Jen, is that Victoria Bridge, should she say? Jen, is that Victoria Bridge? Elizabeth Bridge. Oh, that's a pretty bridge as well.
But the weather does, it's not.
Yes, it's not as foggy as it was yesterday.
Yeah.
So, we're going over, forgotten already, Elizabeth Bridge.
The
Elizabeth Bridge.
Citadel.
The Citadel is up there, and we're going to Buda Castle, which we would have seen in our last video yesterday, that we filmed yesterday. Yeah, I'd take this opportunity to say I wouldn't bring children necessarily to Budapest. It's great as a weekend break or an older family break, but I haven't seen a lot of things to do for the children here. So, not saying don't bring them, I'm just saying I personally haven't seen a lot of things for children to do. Stag weekend or hen weekend would be good. It's perfect for a break for us four. But yeah, very interesting place, lots to see and do. I wonder how much we're going to do in a week though, whether there's enough things for us to do in a week. Our plan today was to go to Vienna, but the train service that we were going to use, the tickets were £50 each, they went up to £100 each, and we decided that we're going to do that another time on another break, just purely for Vienna, maybe like a weekend break, but we weren't willing to pay £100 each for a day trip on this trip. Bridge now. That's the direction we came from. And that's our final destination there, which is Buda Castle. Because we haven't travelled together as a group for 3 years, nearly 3 years, it is noticeable. I'm 50 next year, and this is our second full day, and my back is really, really sore, like toothache. Brian's hips are really bad and quite painful, so Jen has threatened for her and Pandy to go away and leave me and Brian in some sort of care home next time, or on an all-inclusive holiday. Because what's that? Yeah. I'm thinking that's probably a good idea. We have tablets. I have tablets. I have paracetamol and ibuprofen. So if things get too painful, we just pop a couple of those. But yeah, it definitely tells, because 3 years ago we could have run circles around everyone else, I'd like to think. But now, yeah, everything hurts. It's made of Lego. Oh right, I thought you meant the way we get up there is made of Lego.
No, I think it was.
Right, that's impressive. It's going up there, and I think it costs
Question is, do you prefer to walk?
$3 for adult, return
Shuttle service. We have 11 cars.
ticket.
We have 4 different stations.
Yeah, 3,000 TEF,
Get off.
which Brian says is about £7.
Every 10 minutes.
So use that in the bus.
Is the equivalent of €8 to go up and down. Apparently it's a 30-second ride, but it is really nice. This guy has just sold us a ticket for the equivalent to €10 for the hop on, hop
We have
off.
many discounts at the top with this ticket. Just like the tavern, it's 40% in case it's like €2. There's a restaurant, gives you 15%, and this is a 200 years old bakery coffee shop, quite famous in Hungary. If you show up the ticket, you get 10% off. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Well, because we wanted to go there anyway.
Yeah,
It's either pay €8 for that for 30 seconds,
yeah.
and that 30 seconds to go up there, €8 or €10, and unlimited.
Unlimited.
Yeah.
So we
Obviously,
can,
don't-
like-
good for Brian because he don't have to walk because it's quite distance, mine.
Yeah,
At
yeah,
least we go around all on the top,
yeah,
so we can see more then without walking
yeah.
much.
Which is better for
For all of us,
for-
really.
yeah, my back and Brian's hips. Definitely.
Any wall on that? Anything you would say Jan or not? And like it's glad starting bit, right?
Put Brian on the end.
Yeah, it's hard work going backwards. The whole ride took us how many minutes, do you think? How many minutes do you think that took us to get up here?
Oh, you're not yet.
Oh, we just about that.
Can you imagine if we walk up here, right here?
Yeah.
He just like
It's taken probably 3 or 4 minutes up until now.
it's like he's so excited, isn't it?
Hilton. Yeah. We can help you?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's like we wanna go just wait for you and then just jump in it. And
Right.
then go different stations.
Alright, where are we going?
No idea.
Let's just get off and wander around. Very cold. It's a lot colder up by the castle than it is down by the bottom, which is why I've done this. It does help. That's Matthias Church. But we're not going in because you have to pay, and I'm not sure how much it is. We've decided not to pay, which is fine, and we're going to try and find the castle now. We literally just missed the changing of the guard a few seconds before we arrived here. That's a shame. I don't know how often it is. Try and find out. But yeah, that would have been a nice thing to film. we've ended up back at Pointer Bar. Pointer Pub? Pointer Pub. Where we ate last night. And I just had a beef stew with dumplings that I'll put the photo in now. And it's happy hour at the moment, so we've got one of these.
Oh, you had two now?
Jen, they don't know that.
Well, I'll show you the other one.
Okay, I may have had two.
Just reveal why you two now.
Yeah. How much are they each?
£2.50.
£2.50. £2.50 a litre. So it would be rude not to. So next time I see you might be tomorrow. Are you guys enjoying yourselves? Yeah?
Because I am the one sensible, I just have a lemonade.
Oh, we're going to call you Lemonade Jen now.
Yeah. You were driving.
Tour guide Jen yesterday, Lemonade Jen today.
Normal.
Yeah.
I'm driving.
But you, Pan? Having fun?
Yes, cider.
Cider. And which was your cider? Are you happy?
Always happy.
Yeah.
Show you drinks then.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Okay, so we've ended up back in the market
That's where not big queue party, right?
at the end of the night, drinking mulled wine. It's a lot less busy than it was earlier on.